Hello everyone, I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this time I got two packages right here. They actually arrived both at the same time, and I was so excited to share this with you guys. Both of these items that I have here were actually purchased after the price increase, and also both of these are extremely hard to get at the moment. But when I say extremely hard to get, that means like I tried to stock this on the website, and I don't know, I have actually never seen it became available. So anyway, these are the two items that I've got here. And let me show you the first item. And okay, they put it in this drawstring dust bag. I always love the drawstring dust bag, but for some reason it is actually the item's actually bigger than the dust bag. But anyway, so this is how it came in with. And I have been asking my essay about this piece for quite some time. They comes and goes, but I know this is not my priority. So whenever I get a chance to speak to her, then I ask, oh, is this available or something like that? And she said it is available, and it is a Louis Vuitton. This is an agenda, and it is a ring agenda, because it has a ring right here. So this is in a size medium right here. Wow, I've actually never seen this in person, and I know I have been wanting the classic monogram, but the classic monogram, it's even harder to get than this. So I said, maybe I want to try this Damier Ebene. I know that this is not my priority, but I am looking for an agenda in a size medium. So this one came in with a size large, medium, and the small one. So the one that I got, it is in a size medium. Right here, it has a press stud closure. It has a gold hardware. It says engraved right there, Louis Vuitton. And you see the pattern. The pattern is in Damier Ebene print. Let's open inside. Wow. It is, yeah, I would say this one is brand new just by looking at it right now. And also, right here on your left, I think this one is, yeah, it is a combination of the Damier canvas and also with the cross grain leather right here. So the lining is the cross grain leather, cross grain cowhide leather, and it is a great combination. So anyway, on this corner right here, we have credit card slots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also this is a slot right here. But it has 2, 4, it has 6 card slots on this corner right here. So it says right here at the bottom, this one is made in France. And also the engraving right here, it's in red. So it's in red, and then as you guys could see, this one has 6 ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it has the gold hardware as well. This one has a rivet, which is also in gold, and it's engraved, it says right there, Louis Vuitton. And on the other side, there is a pocket right here. And as you guys could see, that I think the lining is made up of a cowhide leather. Wow, look at that. This one is so lovely. I totally love it. Wow, the compartment, the card slots right here. And also this one, when you purchase this one never came in with a refill. You have to buy the refill separately. And let me see. Okay, let me just show you the entire print of it. So right there, Louis Vuitton Paris and Louis Vuitton Paris on both sides. And then this one has a glazing right here, and the glazing is on this corner, thinner glazing, and this one has a thick glazing right here. The stitching is more likely in this color, like brown color, which is lovely. Okay, let me snap it back. Yeah, I am so excited to use this. I've been eyeing this piece in such a long time, and it's been on my wish list for ever since. And yeah, I was looking for, I started traveling, so I was looking for an agenda, like a medium-sized agenda where I could just slip it in my purse. And I think this one is perfect. I know I have a small agenda, but I didn't really like that so much because you cannot put a lot of things in it, and besides I have issues with that. And it's still in I think the repair is in progress for that piece, and basically I would be able to get that maybe in the next 4 months or so. But right now the projected date is sometime in June, but I was told that it may take longer than that. So right now I'm a little bit conscious on touching this. That's because of my terrible experience with my previous agenda, that it started melting and peeling. I hope that won't happen in this piece right here. So far I'm just trying to feel it. Sorry. It's not sticky at all. Sometimes I try to feel the glazing just by touching it, if it is a little sticky or not. But I'm not gonna rub it like the one that I did with my previous agenda. That's because I know that I will be taking that to the atelier, and this one is like brand new, so I hope nothing would happen this. And this one is priced as the medium size. Right now is priced as $675 US. That's before tax. Moving on to the next item. This next item right here, this was just newly released, and I am anticipating for the release of this piece. It is part of a Tigerama collection, which I am a fan of. Every single year I look forward for the Tigerama collection. So anyway, this year Louis Vuitton Tigerama collection released 2 colorways, and this color is stunning. I haven't seen it yet, so I am just about to show you this beautiful piece right here. I believe this one has already been sold out. I'm not gonna say, because the thing with Louis Vuitton, especially if those highly anticipated pieces, those are highly sought after pieces, once it's sold out, it's gone. And sometimes Louis Vuitton would replenish it in a week or so, but I'm not sure about this piece right here. I think this was sold out. That's because the color is stunning. And okay, let me show you this next item right here. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you this piece right here. And she is, okay, oh, it got caught on the dust bag. And oh wow, look at that, guys. So this is a Tigerama coin and card holder. Every single year Louis Vuitton released the Tigerama, and the thing that I like about Tigerama collection is that they come up with a beautiful pop of colors. I believe last year they have it in pink, And I totally love that. This here, it says on the website it is in color red, but upon looking at it right now, it is in color, I would say orange. Maybe a red with the orange undertone. But when you say red, no, this is not red as far as like looking at it right now. This is more likely an orange color. So this one is actually a combination of a tiger cowhide leather and a monogram canvas. So as you guys could see right there, the LV monogram around it, and at the back as well. No, I don't know which one is front, which one is back, but this one has those card slots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots right here. And on the other side, it has a long slip pocket right here, which this one is lined with a cowhide leather. The other side is smooth, and the other side is with this tiger leather. It has a silver hardware as usual. This is part of the men's collection. That is why it has a silver hardware. So the teeth are silver as well. Let's open and see the inside. So this is a coin and card holder. So basically you'll put your coins right in here. Okay. So the one that I got is made in Italy. I believe majority of the coin and card holder for the Tigerama collection, ever since I started collecting, they are all made in Italy. Now that there is no date code, usually they put the date code right here, but this one, they eliminated the date code since last year. So this one didn't have a date code anymore. It has a microchip. The inside is lined with a tiger cowhide leather as well, which is really nice. I love the grained leather, guys, compared to a smooth leather. The smooth leather as a wallet, it's like, it's not a carefree. But with this one, I totally love the grain in it, especially that when you use it as a card holder, if there's any scratches or whatsoever, it's not visible compared to the smooth leather. Let me test out the zipper. The zipper is quite smooth though, very nice. And that is just the zipper pull right there, the logo, the emblem of a Louis Vuitton, and that's just pretty much it. It has a glazing on this corner. It does seem to look like the glazing is very well done as far as like taking a glance at it, and it has a thick glazing. And so this one, I'm not sure of how much this one is right now. I know there is a price increase. I'm not sure, but let me see. Maybe I could find it here. I think it's around $400 US. Okay, so this is what it says right here. Coin card holder, Tigerama, Fi Red, F-I Red. So basically, there is a name of these. It's not just red, but the product code is M30829, and I think the price for this is around $400 US. And I'm just gonna put the link down below for the exact price because I don't remember it anymore. And also the Tigerama this year came in with 2 colorways. So the red, and the other one is in color silver, but it is more likely in a gunmetal gray, and it is metallic. So I'm not sure with that particular color. I'm not too crazy about it. It was just, the color is a little bit strange to me. Yeah, I was thinking of getting that one as well, but I couldn't even convince myself getting that metallic gray color. So for spring and summer, this is actually perfect. Maybe the other one is perfect for a fall or winter, but the color is not really, it doesn't really attract me at all, even though the color is a little bit on the duller side. It's a little bit dull. So yeah, I'm not. They also came in with a crossbody bag as well, and also it came in with a pocket organizer as well. And I like this better than the pocket organizer. I truly love the versatility of this piece, where you could just put your card holder and then lay it flat on your purse, because this one is really flat. It could fit in a lot of my purses, and I didn't have any issues at all. I didn't have any problems using this at all in any of my purses. It is so easy to use compared to the pocket organizer. Pocket organizer takes not a lot of space though, but it tends to bulge out, like when you put a lot of cards in it. I know it could fit 9 cards, which is pretty good, but it gets thick though if you put a lot of cards. But this one, I think this one is perfect. That's why I always look forward when they release the Tigerama, and I was so excited to finally see that they have a new color. Very beautiful. This is so nice. So yeah, you might want to reach out with your essay or check the website. This one came in with 2 different colors for the Tigerama this year. They have different styles. The coin and card holder. They have a pocket organizer. They have a crossbody bag. I haven't really checked so much about what else they released in this. I was thinking maybe they came out with a pouch though. I wish, because this color is stunning. The color is totally beautiful. I totally love the color, but it does seem to look like this one is a little bit more like, has an orange undertone to it. This one is a little bit darker and this one is lighter. So there's a little bit of contrast of the color itself. So yeah, so you could see the distinction between the 2 colors right there. So anyway, these are the 2 items that I just recently got. I'm so excited. I could not wait to use them, and definitely if you're looking a card holder that is in a pretty reasonable price and functional as well, go for the coin and card holder. It may not be the Tigerama though. I know that the Tigerama is a limited edition piece, but they also have other colors as well. So, but as far as like its functionality, as far as the price, this one is the best to go for a wallet. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.